Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to integrate Calendly with Outlook Calendar. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register and check out, if you have problems with that, a solution on our YouTube channel. But guys, now let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button, which is the first button here. We have the schedule events, we have the upgrade plan, we have admin center, and we have in the top right corner, we have some things about your profile, which you can click on, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and integrate Calendly with Outlook Calendar. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow this link that I provided here. So go to help.calendly.com and getting started with Office 365 or Outlook.com. And here guys, you can see create your upon sign up. So we have the step 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We have a few steps here guys. So what you need to do, it is pretty complex. So visit your calendar sync page, then so go to your account, select the calendar you would like to connect. So basically you need to select the calendar that you would like to connect all of these. You need to go and edit your calendars after that guys. So basically don't forget to go and edit them. So they will be of course edited. And that's basically that guys. So basically when you edit them, when you select them, you just need to click add to a calendar and select edit, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoy it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.